Hi there, welcome to Waverley Mitsubishi, and today we're going to be taking you on a virtual tour of the outside of a 2026 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross Noir. Starting at the front, you can notice the perfectly blacked out styled dynamic shield front end. It's going to have auto LED headlights, fog lights, and auto LED high beams. For those rainy days, auto sensing wiper blades, exuding a sense of confidence, capability, and protection. So coming along the side of the Noir Edition Eclipse Cross, you're going to notice a bunch of beautifully blacked out features, like the heated, power folding turn signal integrated side view mirrors, the snazzy 18-inch alloy wheels, and the beautiful roof rails ready to be used. Finishing up at the back, you notice the rear LED combination lights. You're also going to notice the rear view camera, and you're also going to have a perfectly black styled out cargo cover for those prying eyes. So from all of us at Waverley Mitsubishi, we'd like to thank you for joining us on our exclusive virtual tour of the outside of the Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross Noir Edition. We look forward to seeing you on the inside. Hi, and welcome to Waverley Mitsubishi, and I'll be taking you on a tour of the interior and a test drive of the 2026 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross Noir. So before we get going, you're going to notice a couple things right away. You're going to notice the 8-inch touchscreen here that's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. You're going to notice the beautiful black accents throughout the cabin here, along with the beautiful black headliner capped off the Noir Edition. So as we get going here, the one thing I want to teach you about is the beautiful super all-wheel control that Mitsubishi Motors has. This comes with the Eclipse Cross Noir Edition. It has 3 specific driving modes. You're going to have the normal mode, the snow mode, and the gravel mode, making sure no matter what our weather conditions are, we're always covered. Now that's all powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. That's going to give you 152 horsepower and 184 foot-pounds of torque. That's a combined 9.3 liters per 100 kilometers. It's all capped off with this beautiful leather-wrapped steering wheel with audio and Bluetooth controls at your fingertips. You're also going to get a 6-way power adjustable seat on the driver's side, and for anyone who's cold in this vehicle, heated front and rear seats. So as we're coming to a stop, I'd like to go over some safety features that us as humans, we take advantage of. And Mitsubishi Motors, it's going to cover you, especially with the Eclipse Cross Noir Edition. It's going to come standard with safety features like forward collision mitigation, lane departure warning, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, multi-camera view systems, LED high beams. Mitsubishi and the Eclipse Cross Noir does its part to ensure its safety to our customers. So from all of us at Waverley Mitsubishi, we'd like to thank you for joining us on our virtual tour and test drive, and especially on the inside of the Eclipse Cross Noir. We look forward to seeing you soon.
Waverley Mitsubishi.